Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to change mouse size in Android mobile. Actually, my phone is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So normally Android phones only support two mouse pointer size and speed settings. But actually S25 Ultra support different colors and speed and other settings. Just open your settings application for that. Okay. Just open the settings, then go the way down and just open general management. You can see here, open it, and you can see option of mouse and trackpad. Just open that, then you will get pointer size and color option. Go there and you can see here, this is the size I've chosen and the middle sections. You can simply drag this one to higher pointer size. Also you can downgrade it to lower pointer size. You can see the difference. See that? So in this way you can simply change your mouse pointer size on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.